Right, I'm out in the workshop with Tony and he's got this candelabra. This has come from the Chateau de Colombe, Patrick and Stuarts candelabra that they bought at an auction recently. And one of the arms was broken and Tony's trying to fix it for them. So what you've been doing?
Okay, so it was snapped off here.
Okay.
And obviously it carries all the weight of one of these candle holders.
Yeah.
And obviously a big candle.
And yeah.
And this is its weakest point here.
Okay.
So that's where it snapped off.
Yep.
So I cleaned it up.
Taken it apart.
I've taken it apart, I've cleaned it up, and I've drilled through this half of it out the side of this hole here.
Okay.
And drilled all the way through out here that you can't see because I've filled up with silver solder.
Okay.
So there's a rod going all the way through there like that.
Right, okay.
Then
so it's a bit like mending a broken leg top thing with a metal pin.
I put it in there and then I've heated the whole lot up and covered it in silver solder.
Yeah.
So it's now sturdy as you like. But
okay.
The only problem is I've just realised I've put the dog's head round the wrong way.
Oh no. So what are you going to do now?
So as opposed to being like that, it's round the wrong way to carry the top there.
Okay. So are you going to disassemble it now and start again?
Hopefully I'm going to put it in this here vice.
Oh.
Heat it up.
And turn it round.
And hopefully turn it round the right way.
Yeah. Okay. So this silvery bit on here.
Yes.
That's covered over the brass, is it?
It's covered over the brass, but it's all gone in all the cracks.
Yeah.
And down the threads, both sides.
Okay.
So it's stronger than what it was.
Will Patrick and Stuart be able to make it look bronzy again?
Well, if they can do paintings like they do, I'm sure they can put a little bit of gold paint on there.
Yeah.
Okay. But I've cleared most of it off. You can still,
I can
this
see,
looks silver, but it's not, it's brass.
But it's quite complicated because in order to make it strong enough, you've got to do that to it.
Yes.
Right, okay. Right.
Right, I'll get that better.
So you think you're going to heat it up and turn that
dog's head round.
180 degrees?
Yes.
Without it snapping?
Well, it won't snap because there's a rod going through.
I know, but I mean, I see what you mean. So it's almost like on a screw.
Yes, it is. I've drilled and tapped it.
But you've obviously fixed it together now.
Yes, I know.
So you've drilled and tapped it. And that's pretty much got like a bolt going through the middle of it, a thin one.
Yes. But I want to get that.
Do you want a piece of cloth or something?
No, that's fine. I can always clean it up after. That's better.
Yeah. Yeah, but it won't mark it, will it?
No. Okay.
Oh, okay. So I need to film it, but I don't want to get burnt. It's a difficult thing to film it against something. Can we put something behind it?
Like what?
Like that box thing. So that I've got a background, if you know what I mean. Cardboard box that. Yeah, that doesn't. It could be better, but yeah. I was thinking something darker, but never mind. Hope you can see this. I'll zoom in a bit without getting burnt. You need more hands, Tone.
Yeah.
It's quite a soft metal, isn't it, brass?
Yeah.
Oh, we've moved it a bit. Oh, has it come off?
No.
Oh, I can't see because it's very difficult to film. It's like watching that program, you know, where they is it Drew? He goes off and buys antiques and he gets people to fix things.
He don't bloody fix it himself, though, does he?
But he sends them to various experts, doesn't he? To
Yes.
to reupholster or to mend things or to repolish things. And not sure I've seen anybody mending brass things though. You can't get brass solder, can you?
Brass solder, no.
Oh,
You can get brazing rods, obviously.
yeah, but you haven't got any, have you?
It's not that. You have to get it too hot to use brazing rods.
Right, and then it goes black, doesn't it? So.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the right way round here, which is always handy.
Okay, now that's a different colour. Is that just because you've heated it up?
Well, here?
The hedge, yeah.
Yeah.
So will that polish off?
Yeah. And a bit of wire wall around it.
Oh, right, because it just changed its colour.
Yeah.
Hot, hot.
It's cooling down.
So you just dunked it in some water, did you?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Ah, yeah, that polishes up a lot, doesn't it?
You know, dogs or dragons or...
Well, my initial thought would be dog, but... Yeah, like mythical creatures, aren't they? But, yeah, maybe dragons, because they've got these bits on the bottom here, which isn't dog-like, is it?
No.
They're almost like... What is them things that dragons have on the side of their face? It's like a... And like some of the lizards have, don't they?
Hmm.
Almost like gills, isn't it? Anyway, obviously there isn't any such thing as dragons.
What?
There isn't any such thing as dragons, don't. But yeah. Well, yeah, that's quite detailed, isn't it?
Hmm.
So yeah, with a little bit of clever camouflaging over that mend, you wouldn't know it's there. Maybe a bit of gold wax. I think I've got a bit of goldy coloured wax, which is a bit like an antique-y colour. I might have a look in a minute.
Well, Stuart can do that.
Oh,
Yeah.
if I've got something that does it, then now you're going to put it back together for us again. Try again. Take two. So how many arms has it got? 4 or 5?
Yeah, 4.
Has it got some? It's got one in the middle, hasn't it? Something in the middle.
Oh, it's got the one in the middle, yeah.
Yeah. Lots of bits.
Oh yes.
Ah, okay. Is that me or is that still slightly not quite straight?
No, the dog's all right. It's just
The top arm.
the arm wants bending down slightly.
Is that possible? While you've got it in pieces?
Yeah.
Might as well try and get it as good as you can.
We'll have to heat up slightly again.
Oh. After you've just polished it.
Never mind. So it wants to go.
Yeah, which way?
It wants to go down the way.
Down a little bit.
So it wants to go down this way.
Okay.
So if I put him in there,
It won't break it again, will it?
still it'll break the joint, obviously.
No, I mean where you've just mended it. Mended it. Won't break where you've just mended it, surely.
Yeah.
Will it? Oh.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. See what it now, Tone, while you're there, that head does not line up with this.
Yes, yes, yes.
You see where I'm?
Yes.
Yeah. You've got to go sideways slightly. Yeah. Oh, he's almost there.
Just hold on to that vice, can you?
How? I'm trying. Not very well though, I've only got my fingers on it.
There she went in. You see it?
No. You were sort of in the way. Ah, yes, it's gone very pliable. Okay, now.
Let go.
Oh, okay. I can hear music. Time.
Right, I'm not going to disturb that anymore. I'm going to bend it in here.
Oh, okay. It's a bit thicker there, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it did move quite a bit, actually. Don't go mad. Oh, don't go mad. Yeah. Test it out. If you hold it against one of those, will you not see?
It's good enough for jazz, I think.
It's what?
There. I'll attach that and bend it down
still...
the other plane, I think. Don't want to disturb that anymore, really.
Okay.
Perhaps I will.
What are you trying to do now?
I want to heat that up again.
Yeah.
Bend it down a bit more.
Oh.
Get off.
Is that where you've got to squeeze it together, is it? Oh, it did actually move a little bit. Right, so now you've got to grind the solder down again or put more?
Right, just take it down a bit. There he is. So you've got the outline of teeth on there as well, bloody brilliant.
A lot of detail.
Okay.
Right. Even this, look. This
Yes.
is, but the details just, it's lovely. And so many pieces too. You've got the flowery pieces. It's a nice little project to work on.
So the dogs fit in between them things that they would do, or was it bit on here?
Yeah, I
first?
would imagine that they would, wouldn't they? Oh, does that make it higher? Oh.
That bit goes in there. Does that bit go in there? No, it can't do. Ah, voila.
Yeah, that's higher up. Okay.
Voila, as they
Finished?
say. Yeah.
Ah, well done. Well, Patrick will be pleased. Which is the mended one? Oh, this
That's what
piece.
they say, yeah. You got to shine to the dog's face there, innit?
Yeah, because this one's more shiny now.
Yeah.
Now that is very slightly still like that, but then they're all a bit like that.
They are all a bit like that, and
Yeah, because
and,
it's just the age of it.
it's just the age of it, and it's being handled by hundreds of people over hundreds of years. So
Yeah, of course it has.
people pulling it around. So yeah, one of a pair.
Yeah, not an exact pair.
No, it's a different
There's
figurine.
a little boy and a little girl, I think.
Yeah.
But aren't they beautiful? Yeah. I just love the detail on the dogs' heads, dragons' heads, whatever they are.
Yeah.
Well done, huh?